Okay, hi everybody, I hope you're doing fine. In this video I'm just gonna show you how you can make money from your SolidWorks parts. I'm sure you have been drawing, or you've drawn lots of SolidWorks parts. You have them in your laptop or wherever you have them, and you try to make money from them. For example, myself, I do have a lot of them. Okay, there is these 5 websites that you can make money by selling your SolidWorks parts. Like as you can see in this first website here, we have sell by 3D models. Like not only SolidWorks, as you can see. Actually, for example, you can go here. I'm gonna just write SolidWorks. Okay, you can see a lot of other SolidWorks parts which are here. You can see people selling for $6, $10, $15 even. I mean, that's good amounts of money, like a passive income, something that you've drawn before. And also, let me tell you something. If you are like, oh, I cannot draw these kind of things, I don't have time, there is another website I want to tell you at the end of the video. That's the bonus website. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna have the next website, which is this one here, 3D models. So when I just come here, right, SolidWorks, you're gonna see what people are selling. Okay, you can design your own things, but I'm gonna show you, just to give you an example. You can do it yourself. See, people are selling these kind of things here, selling them. If you're curious about the price, you can click on them and you can have lots of information. Just super sweet, just take notes and come here and sell the things and make some money. We have this one also, CG traders. Okay, these one, as you can see, they have a lot of kind of things, like you can see here, see a lot of them. But as I told you, as we always do is every time, I'm just gonna come directly and go like SolidWorks, just come here, see, first one, and then we have this, like a lipstick, a car, see, helmets, I think I'll call this like this, and this is what we have. As imagine you selling this for $100. I mean, that's good money. See, as you can see, we have like make it as PDF, CTL, SolidWorks, and other extensions. I mean, that's free money. And we have this one here, like it is 80. 80 lots of people are using for to sell lots of different things. You also can come here and sell the SolidWorks parts. For example, here we have this one here, 5 pneumatic cylinders, drum with SolidWorks. Okay, you can and sell your own things. Like first you can have this here. For example, as you can see, when I click on this one, it's here. See, it's here. People are selling this. Like selling like maybe like it's around like $5, I'm sorry, $4, $5, $3, something like this. I mean, as this is money, like as I say, it's passive income. You're gonna make money just by using these things here. And I show you that's at the end. I'm gonna show you a website. Like for example, like you don't want to do these things anymore, like a drawing, you use everything, so you can just come here. This website here, it's called GrabCards. Okay, GrabCard is free site where all models are free to be used by members and can only be used under certain conditions that are in the rules. So like there are a lot of things here, like let me go, actually, because I have my own profile here. I just like as I was trying, I just put like 2 of them. As some people, as you can see here, 50 like scores, like total download like 13. I was not expecting, because I just opened it just to try something to see how it's working. And then there is also this book I'm gonna show you. Okay, this book that you can actually use and make money. In this book here, this is what we have. Let me show you. See this book here? Normally they have the parts that people use daily, things like accessories, normally phone accessories, like earphones, covers and everything like this. Like this is the same things for SolidWorks. You have this book, you download this, and then you draw everything there. Like there are 100 of them, as you can see. I assure you can make a lot of money, because people need these parts. Just go and put them for sale on Etsy. You see, we have Etsy. We have also CG traders. So SolidWorks, like a Turbo Squid, I'm sorry. We also have this one here, 3D exports. Like there is money to make in these things, because sometimes you think, okay, I don't have a way to make money. I've been enjoying these things. How else can I do this? Me personally, what I do, like from my university, I'll draw them and then I just sell them to my classmates or no, the students, something like this. This is what I do. I mean, you can do this to make like a passive income, as I say it. And I hope you like it. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask me. You can actually go and purchase this book. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. And then just go like click buy. And then take it to Amazon. Like to make it very easy, which is also very cheap. Like it's a kind of luxury. See, like just $9. Just you have the book and you enjoy. There is lots of other books you can see around here, but some of them are like expensive. Okay, see the same one here, 750. You can buy it. Like it's a good one.